Hello everyone, welcome to this Java course. This is very first video for this course. Today we will learn what is Java, its advantage, how it works, and job opportunities. So what is Java? Java is a popular high-level programming language that was developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995, now owned by Oracle. It is a general purpose, class based, object oriented programming language that is used to build applications that can run on any platform. Java code can be compiled into bytecode that can run with JVM. It is used to build applications for web, desktop, mobile, IoT device, and many more platforms. Advantage of Java. Java has many advantages. It is platform independent. It can run on any operating system. It is secure. Java has built-in security features that help to prevent malicious attacks. It is portable. Java code can easily move from one system to another without any modification. It is scalable, which means it can handle large amount of data. It is ideal for enterprise level application. It has a large and active community, which means they can support each other and share their resources. Job opportunities. Java developers are in high demand. There are many job opportunities available in the market. This is used to various industries include finance, healthcare, telecommunication, and more. Many top-level companies use Java, including some well-known names like Amazon, Google, IBM, Oracle, and many more. Java is very popular in enterprise level application because it is scalable, reliable, and secure. How does Java work? Java works by compiling code into bytecode, which is then interrupted by the JVM. JVM is responsible for executing the bytecode and translating it into machine code. JVM is responsible for executing the bytecode and translating into machine code. This allows Java code to be platform independent, as the same bytecode can run on any platform that has Java JVM installed. Java libraries and framework. Java has a large number of library and framework that can be used to simplify and speed up the development process. Some of most popular library and framework are Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, and JavaFX. These libraries and framework help developers to make it easier to build complex applications. And that's it for the introduction of this course. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching.